Well, we were speaking to Mamata Banerjee earlier on, and in fact, we asked her a few questions on her observations on Cyclone Amphan. In addition to the government and official machinery going out into the districts to help overcome the devastation, there's been unbelievable help from ordinary citizens of Bengal, and that's been really heartwarming to see. These were her views on what she saw.
I salute to all the disaster people, including all the people, all the agencies, and I salute to my local people and the administration and police also, the all, because of their continuous endeavor for destruction and reconstruction and restructuring, and of course the relief. But now also I can tell you that all we cannot do from our state government, we cannot do it alone. It's a huge burden, and huge reconstruction is ahead. So I will appeal to all of my countrymen, the world people, and also our friends, our brothers and sisters, our parents, our friends, that please help from all. We want help from all, and we have set up already. We have created West Bengal State Disaster Management Authority, bank ICCI Bank, and account number also you must know, that 62800 1041 066. Even IFSC code also, IC1C0006280, and also the MICR code is 700229010. I believe that with the help of all people, we can overcome this disaster. It never happens in our country. When I have seen the tsunami, the Aila, the others, so many disasters, but this disaster, I am telling you, something it is I do not know, it is because of global warming or something new.
Yes, thank you very, very much, Chief Minister. It is important that viewers donate to the Bengal the Disaster Fund, and all the details you just mentioned will be on our website. And they can also donate to the NGO that this telethon is also about, the NGO called Child Fund, which is doing amazing work in the rehabilitation of poorer children. What is important is that everyone please come forward and donate. This is a terrible, terrible tragedy, and it's a natural disaster. The people of Bengal need our viewers' donation and help. Remember, this tragedy is largely, and I can mention this to the Chief Minister, largely a result of how globally man has treated or mistreated nature, treated it so badly.
The nature is very much nowadays, we cannot ignore the nature. Nature is our life, nature is our everything. But nature is also, if sometimes the nature is dangerous, then what can happen? That we have watched this 28th May. We feel that it should not come again. It's too much, it's too much. The eye was in Kolkata, and the ending part, the tail was, if you see, the eye was in Kolkata, but tail was this Bankura, means 200 kilometers far from Kolkata. That was a dangerous devastation. I will appeal to all of you that, of course, you are busy, and sometimes you people do not take care for West Bengal, but this time I will appeal to all of you, please forget all the political differences and all this. I am grateful to NDTV and Bunai Rai and all people because of their endeavor to help us in this regard, and I will appeal others also that please help us, otherwise Bengal cannot survive. Of course we will survive, but in the meantime we have already helped more than lakhs of people. Maybe we helped 5 lakhs people for their houses, we helped farmers, about 25 lakhs farmers, we have already helped the fisheries people, we have helped, there are so many horticulture areas, we have already helped. Even we are trying from our best, we are trying whatever we can do from our fund, we are doing it. But what state government, with the devastation of COVID-19 and then another devastation of this Amphan, even our migrant workers are also coming. Already they reached about 10 lakhs, 12 lakhs. So it's a great challenge. But we will work on the situation, we will help all of them. So my request would be to all of you, please help us.